Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Policygenius to switch life policies safely step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Policygenius website. On the home page, locate the search bar where you can enter your current life insurance policy details. Fill in the required fields with information about your current policy. Submit the information to see potential options for switching your life insurance. Once the results appear, review the available policies. Compare the features, premiums, and coverage amounts of each policy. Select a policy that best suits your needs. Click on the chosen policy to view more detailed information. Review the policy terms and conditions, ensuring it meets your requirements. If satisfied, proceed to click on the Get Started or Apply Now button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the necessary personal information to complete your account setup. Once your account is created, log in to access your tailored policy options. Fill out the detailed application form for your new policy. Provide any required documentation, such as medical records or identification. After submitting your application, wait for the underwriting process to complete. If approved, you will receive an email with your new policy documents. Make sure to read through your new policy thoroughly. Once everything is confirmed, contact your previous insurer to cancel your existing policy. Keep your new policy documents in a safe place for future reference. Review your policies periodically to ensure they still meet your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.